Hello everyone, I am Avinash Doltani and we are going to discuss about project management process groups. So project management process groups includes initiating, planning, executing, monitoring and controlling and closing. Now a life cycle of a project can change, but this 5 process group will remain same in every project. Now what are the characteristics of the process group? So executing require the most resources and time. Monitoring and controlling process are done throughout the project life cycle. Initiating and closing are the shortest one, but we all know that every project is unique, so there can be exceptions. Now interrelationship between project management process group, that is how the 5 processes are related to each other. So planning is dependent on initiating, executing is dependent on planning, monitoring and controlling and executing are interdependent of each other. But if something is wrong at monitoring and controlling phase, then this phase is shifted to initiated, planning or executing phase. But if everything went right at this phase, then it is the closing phase come. That is project is end now. Now I prepare a chart for you that how Alpha project manager and other project manager spend time on each process group. You can see that chart. Now, is there any difference between the project management process group between a small and large project? So the answer is yes. As we all know, in a small project or a large project, there are the 5 phases, that is research, design, code, test and transition. So in a small project, these phases are considered a single project, and for these phases, these 5 process groups are there. But when it comes to a large project, every phase is considered a small project, and for every phase there is a different process groups. You can see that I prepare a chart for you. Now how project management process groups, that is initiating has 2 processes and it is the 13% of the total project. Planning has the 24 processes and is the 24% of the total project. Executing has 8 processes and it is the 30% of the total project. Monitoring has 11 processes and it is the 25% of the total project. Closing has only 2 processes, but it is the 8% of the total project. In this way, there are total 47 processes and it is 100%. Now, what are the pre-initiating tasks? So, pre-initiating task is to define time, scope, cost, identify project sponsor, that who will give money, who will give the funding to the project manager who will handle the project. Then determine the project should be divided into 2 or more smaller projects so that it can be done easily. Now what are the initiating process group? So initial scope defined होगा, financial resources क्या होंगे, from where we get the financial help, internal और external stakeholders कौन होंगे, प्रोजेक्ट चार्टर प्रिपेयर होता है बाय प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर. इसमें हर इंफॉर्मेशन होगी दैट हु आर द स्पॉन्सर्स एंड एवरीथिंग. ये ऑफिशियल ऑथराइजेशन हो जाता है प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर को दैट आप अब रिसोर्सेज ले सकते हैं एंड आप अपना काम चालू कर सकते हैं. Then stakeholders. Who are the stakeholders of a project? Internal stakeholders are the project sponsor, project team, support staff, internal customers, or for the project. Other internal stakeholders include top management, other financial functional manager or the project manager. External project stakeholders कौन होते हैं? They are the competitors and the suppliers, other external groups, or we can say project customers, everyone, government official and the concerned citizens. Now how to create a project charter? That is what it is there. So it authorized project manager to organization to complete the project. Ideally, project manager will play a major role in developing project charter. Project manager is the one who prepare the project charter and it is approved by the stakeholders and the top management. So planning process group. The complex nature of project management may require the use of repeated feedback loop for additional analysis. Then feedback लिया जाता है कस्टमर से, स्टेकहोल्डर से और टॉप मैनेजमेंट से दैट व्हाट वी कैन चेंज इन अ प्रोजेक्ट और व्हाट वी कैन डू बेटर. As more project information or characteristics are gathered and understood, additional planning will likely be required. The progressive detailing of the project management plans is progressive elaboration. The project seek input and encourages involvement from all stakeholders. Project team जो होती है इनपुट लेती है स्टेक होल्डर से, इन्वॉल्वमेंट चाहती है सारे स्टेक होल्डर्स का प्रोजेक्ट में व्हेन प्लानिंग इज डन। नाउ एग्जीक्यूटिंग एक इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट रहता है जहाँ पे अपना 50% ऑफ द बजट यूज हो जाता है। स्टेक होल्डर की एक्सपेक्टेशन को मैनेज करना, लार्ज पोर्शन ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट बजट विल बी एक्सपेंडेड इन परफॉर्मिंग द एग्जीक्यूटिंग पार्ट, integrating and performing the activities of the project in accordance with the project management plan. Now monitoring and controlling में क्या होता है? Those processes required to track, review and regulate the process and performance of the project. Monitoring and controlling में चेक करा जाता है कि everything went right, क्या कोई गलती आ रही है, कहीं पे कोई प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, एंड अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम आ रही है तो देन उसके बेसिस पे कुछ एक्शंस लिए जाएंगे, प्रिवेंटिव एक्शंस होंगे या करेक्टिव एक्शंस होंगे। Influencing the factor that could terminate, integrate, change control or configuration management, strongly approve changes implement. जो changes approve होंगे उसको implement करा जाएगा। Now closing conduct post project or phase and review. कस्टमर से रिव्यू लिया जाता है that how it is done, that उसकी एक्सपेक्टेशंस को मीट हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ है। कस्टमर्स की एक्सपेक्टेशन हुई, देन हमने कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स आई, उसके बेसिस पे एक डॉक्यूमेंटेशन प्रोवाइड करा जाता है कि ये हमको प्रॉब्लम आई थी, इसके बेसिस पे लेसन लर्न करे जाएंगे। टेलरिंग टू एनी प्रोसेस, अप्लाई अप्रोप्रिएट अपडेट टू ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल प्रोसेस असेस्ड, अपडेट करा जाएगा। परफॉर्म टीम मेंबर असेसमेंट होगा, एंड देन प्रोजेक्ट के जो हमने रिसोर्सेस लिए थे उसको रिलीज करा जाएगा। क्लोज आउट ऑल प्रोक्यूरमेंट एक्टिविटी इंश्योरिंग टर्मिनेशन ऑफ ऑल रिलेवेंट एग्जामिनेशंस एंड ऑब्टेन एक्सेप्टेंस ऑफ द कस्टमर टू स्पॉन्सर टू फाइनली क्लोज द प्रोजेक्ट। कस्टमर से एक्सेप्टेंस लिया जाएगा कि आपके पास सही सब चीज़ें सही से हो गई है, सो वी कैन क्लोज दिस प्रोजेक्ट एंड स्पॉन्सर टू। ना प्रोजेक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन में क्या है? वर्क परफॉर्मेंस डाटा, वर्क परफॉर्मेंस इंफॉर्मेशन, वर्क परफॉर्मेंस रिपोर्ट। द रॉ ऑब्जर्वेशन एंड मेजरमेंट आइडेंटिफाइड ड्यूरिंग एक्टिविटीज परफॉर्म टू कैरी आउट द प्रोजेक्ट वर्क परफॉर्मेंस इंफॉर्मेशन। The performance data collected from various controlling processes, analyzed in context and integrated based on relationship across areas. Now work performance report. The physical or electronic representation of work performance information compiled in project document intended to generate decision or raise issues, actions or awareness. Thank you.